Alright, the first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to simply solder on these connectors. I always like to do 2 down. That way the board is a little bit behind the actual PCB. Next thing we're going to do is put a simple LED on there. I'm going to use this one, which is 3 to 3.2 at 30 milliamps. And I have a little cheat sheet up here that I have written at the very top. And I've already determined that I need a 470 ohm resistor to use that LED. Now, with the LEDs, the longer side is the one that goes to the voltage side, and the shorter side is the one that goes to the negative side. So, without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put it in here like this. And I like to leave a little bit, that way I can bend it forward if I wanted to, or I can lean it back, whichever works. But we're likely going to bend it forward, as that is where the board will be facing away from. And then now we're going to connect the resistor to what will eventually be the 5-volt side. Like so. And then we need the negative side, so we're going to strip a piece of wire. It doesn't even need to be this long, it can literally be half the size. Like that. And a lot of people will just put the wire on the back, but I don't care. This is going to be a test board where we're going to build just about every sensor imaginable we're going to put on here. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and solder them all together. Look at that. Then I like to trim off the excess. Looks like I need to get a sharper pair of cutters. And there you go. That's how you do a simple LED.